Minsan, may tendency bilang isang formator na i-attribute ang success ng mga formandi sa sarili. Yung tipong kapag nakita mo yung paring yon na nagsha-shine sa kanyang ministry, may sense of pride na parte ka ng paghuhubog sa kanya. This is probably the same with parents, teachers, and coaches. Pero alam nyo mga ka-G, during these very moments, tayo pinakatinatawag to humble ourselves as God's little instruments. We cannot claim it for our own as our laurel. Kailangan nating ma-recognize that the person shined because he has a mission to fulfill. At tayo bilang formators, parents, teachers, and coaches ay ginawa rin lang ang nararapat upang ma-accomplish din ang ating mission. With humble and obedient hearts, let us make it our desire to also hear from God the Father. You are my beloved child. With you, I am well pleased. G ka ba?